Is your HP printer stuck with a frustrating Carriage Jam message or a flashing E3 error code? Don't worry, you don't need a degree in engineering to fix this. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few simple steps to clear that jam and get back to printing in minutes. Let's dive in! Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Press Cancel and wait until the printer is silent. Open the cartridge door. Gently slide the carriage side to side, remove any obstructions. If the carriage has a latch, gently press it down to make sure it is locked into place. Close the printer door. Try printing. If you still see the error, reset the printer. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and the power source. Wait 60 seconds to clear the memory. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Turn on the printer and try to print. If you still see the error, call to our expert.